Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app random number generator action automation for workflows. Once you're in your account, navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and you click on it. Then you click on Install and you click on Allow and Install. Once you're done installing your app, you refresh the tab and you head down to the custom page. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you will have a short description concerning the app, and here you have the documentation of the app. We have the tutorial. At the level of the tutorial, you have a smart key video and a configuration video that is going to walk you through on how to set up and get the necessary credentials of your app. Here we have the app setup. The app has been connected. No worries. Let's walk you through on how to connect the app. In order to connect this app, just click on the Start Setup button and you insert your email. Then you're good to go and you click on the Complete Setup. And your app will be successfully connected and set up. We have the Support Center where you'll be able to create a ticket and as well book a call for our support team. We have the changelog feature where you're going to see all the new updates and changes concerning this particular app. So you have or to receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email and click on the subscribe button. There you go. You've learned how to install and set up your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.